What's going on, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of Indigo Park. Now, in the last video we did a maze and went through a whole bunch of stuff, met Rambly, which is this dude right here, and we ended up in the landing pad. Now, enough talk, let's just hop in. Also, please consider subscribing. Now, as soon as I hopped in, I saw this, and I was like, pink, pink. And I twisted it, and this opened. That's it. That's all I've done. And I was like, oh, I wasn't recording. And there goes my PC with my broken 2060. Okay. Part 2. Oh, this is... What? No, I hate how you can go multiple ways. I don't think I can go that way. I'm just gonna go in here. I heard something. I heard something. Oh no. Something's gonna drop out of that. Nothing? Oh. Oh, I tensed up. What was that noise? Okay, also... Oh! At the time I recorded this, the third YouTube short of the thing came out and I hit 400. I'm at 414 at the current time. I don't know what I will be tomorrow, but... Oh! Was that blood? I don't think my light's supposed to be this bright, by the way. I don't think my light's supposed to be this bright. So I'm just gonna continue like this. Wait, what? What? Well, what was the point of that? The landing pad. Did I, like, unlock something? Okay. What was the point of that? Are there, like, hints? That was stupid. Wait, I'm gonna turn right, I guess. Here. Oh. Okay. Oh, oh, jeez. Oh, oh, wait, what's that? Is that a red star? Okay. Red star. I think that's what I have to do. Red star. That terrified me, that noise. Whoa. Yes, my light's definitely not supposed to be this bright. This just leads me back. It's like a maze, so... Red, okay. Green triangle. Red star, green triangle. Red star, green triangle. Whoa. Blue star. What the... Bro, can you work? Blue star. So red star, green triangle, blue star. Red star. Oh! A red star. Stop trying to make me forget. Red star. Red star, green triangle, blue star. I can guess the last one. Okay. The red. The green triangle, was it? And then blue star. It was green triangle and then... I'm so terrified. Yellow? Oh. Okay. Borrow my PC. This is why I need a 4070. Okay. Oh. Anybody there? This room is... Oh no. Rabley. Hey Rabley. Hi. Wait, which way do I have to look? I forgot. Okay. Also, I turned off automatic blinking with my avatar, so now I can just, you know, blink, 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 blink. Yeah. Because I don't have the best camera. What? Stop lagging. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, left. Oh. What? Oh my god. No! No! My game lagged! That's unfair. My game lagged. What the hell? Oh, that's cool. You were caught by Molly McCall. Molly can repeat words that she's heard. Don't be fooled. Proceed to respawn. I knew that. Okay. Rambly! Alright. Oh, Jesus. Alright, so we know to run. I want to get a thumbnail shot though. My bad, my bad. I'm running. I got my thumbnail shot. No, okay, run, forward. No, not forward. That's annoying. Left. Make sure to go left. How many times am I gonna die? Go. I shouldn't have got my thumbnail shot. What am I doing? Go. Trigger and run. Go. Let me in. Left. What? I can't understand you, man. Go, man. Guy. Ma'am. Oh. Whoa. Jump. Left. What? I can't understand you. You realize that? Oh my god. Okay. Right. Maybe not right. This could kill me. I could have just died. Oh no! What? What the hell? I tried. I actually tried. Oh. It's also raining really loudly outside. Oh my god. Oh, the time I'm recording this, it's raining. She just spawned right there. I didn't know what to do. Go. No, up. Bro, there should be a checkpoint. That's annoying. That's so annoying. Okay, trigger and run. Go. Okay, left. I don't know what she's saying. Just a theory. Sorry, I had to. Oh. He's up there. Not today, boy. Up. Left. Right. Snore, my shift key just died for a second. Did you say little boy? I'm running. I'm running as fast as I can. I'm not looking behind me. I know she's there. Bro. I don't think the gravity in this game's exactly Earth accurate. Bro, you flip. Left. No, right. Why'd I go left? Well, I said left, but okay. Oh. Nope. Left. Left. Right. Right. No, not right.
Ah, there you are, buddy.
Hi.
Wait, hold on. This room's staff only.
I don't care. Bro, let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. And my game froze. Okay.
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of amenities and... Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so... I need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years.
Yeah?
Employees stopped showing up, guests too. The mascots are... I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible.
Aww.
But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into.
Oh, don't be sad, man.
Your fun time. Sorry for the inconvenience.
I'm actually tearing up.
But
Whoa.
I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
Yeah, I would.
I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
Yeah, sure. Oh, wow, okay. So, it's a real living thing. That's scary.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers, registered, room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler, registered, security room to set yourself free.
Registered.
Phew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel, but Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is a registered trademark. That expired yesterday.
Oh, I hate that poor bird, but okay. I'll help restore the park. I'd love to do this in real life, actually. Wait, this is the introduction for the game. Can I collect that? No. Wranglers only.
Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it.
Yeah, sure.
But for now, don't.
For now, don't. Oh my god. For now, don't. Huh. Is that the end? I don't know. Well, I know it's like 50-minute or like to an hour-long game or something. Oh, my game is about to die again. It just crapped itself. Yeah, I'm frozen. Okay, thank you. Anything moving? I can't see anything moving. Bro, PC, I'm in like a small room. How are you flooring it with this? Okay, I should just play the game, not look around. Oh, no, the lighting's actually doing that. Ooh, where am I? Oh! Stop doing this! Bro, I put you to the right amount of graphics and everything. Thank you. Oh. Oh, that's what a poodle plush. It's weird poodle plush. It's a weird poodle plush. It doesn't seem to be an Indigo product. Sure doesn't look like any character you've seen in the past. Maybe a child of mine? That's years old then. Where am I? Oceanic Odyssey? Well, Well, you made it. Oh no, my audio's behind again.
Wow, you made
Yeah,
it to
there we go.
Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
Yeah, sorry about the audio,
You'll
guys.
find a potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. You never really know what lies beneath the surface.
Whoa! Oh, I saw that. I saw that. Oh, my mouse is free this time.
Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment?
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself.
What's that?
But before you settle down, you up
Oh,
for
that's
a little
bright.
survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo
Oh,
Park.
this is
Hope
cool.
all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambly review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Let's try it. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no?
Yes.
Were you satisfied with your guide?
Yes.
Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again?
Yes.
Did your experience
Yes.
convince you to tell a friend about us?
Yeah.
Did I earn your trust
Yes, you did.
at Indigo Park?
You did. You
There
and by
is a stark
yeah.
contrast to everything I know this place should be.
That was so
But
good.
out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries.
Oh, that
even
was
I
so
don't know what we
good.
might find.
Well, this is part 1 to
But
Indigo
fight through the
Park.
dark,
I'm sure there'll be
and I'll be your
second
spark of
things, yeah.
sunshine to get you out of any
Shout out to the creators of this,
bind.
which you can
That
probably
is,
see on
if
here.
you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you.
Water
It's an
Boy
awful
VA.
lot to ask.
Vocal
But here
director.
comes Rambly Review Part 2 to
Part
sell
two.
you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each
That was
valuable
so
guest
good.
as I learn. And lots of
Well,
happy
guys,
feedback
thank you
ensures
for
you're
watching. If you
gonna
made it to the
return.
end,
Right,
I'd
so
love to
happy
hit
you
500
know
subscribers this year.
I'm so happy
Maybe
to
even
be your
1,000.
guide. So come
Hope
back
you're gonna hear me
anytime.
fine.
I'd love to see you again. And on my
Unique
thousands of
geese.
days, I've never had a friend like you.
Geese, that's
At
them.
least I hope I do. At Indigo Park,
Oh, yeah.
there is a stark contrast to everything I know.
Well, that
this
was such a
place
good
should
game.
be. But out of the dark,
Hopefully you guys
you've
enjoyed.
given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful
This is so good.
devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks.
Oh, what's there?
are
Whoa.
mysteries,
Whoa, what was
even
that?
I
It was like
don't know
Golden
what
Freddy.
we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind.
I think Rambly doesn't.
Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy.
Next time.
Please.
Yes, yes. Don't say it like that. I'll come. Oh, damn. Thank you. Indigo for a full passion project that we've been working on for a little over a year now. The story world, created Rambly and his friends, special to us. Cool. Chapter 1. Consider supporting our socials if you want to see Chapter 2. Yes. No matter what happens, we hope you enjoyed your stay. Thank you. Yes. Ooh, you should check out channel. Yeah. But for now, I'll just... if my game will load. Oh, thank you guys. Goodbye.